Hello everyone, where we bring you the most innovative tools to elevate your productivity. Today, we're introducing Aide.AI, the smart AI assistant designed exclusively for Mac users. Whether you're managing meetings, tackling projects, or organizing your schedule, Aide.AI is here to make your life easier, faster, and more efficient. Let's dive into what makes Aide.AI a must-have tool for professionals, students, and anyone looking to supercharge their productivity. Getting started with Aide.AI is a breeze. Simply click the link in the description to install the app. Within minutes, Aide.AI will be ready to supercharge your productivity. It's designed to be fast, secure, and right at your fingertips, giving you powerful features tailored for Mac users. To create the best AI assistant for Mac, because staying organized and efficient in today's fast-paced world has never been more critical. With Aide.AI, you can take notes effortlessly, capture meeting details in real time, focus on what truly matters while Aide.AI handles the rest. Let me show you 3 quick shortcuts to get started. Press Option plus space to open Aide.AI in chat mode, right on top of any window. Hit Option plus M to activate meeting mode for smooth assistance during calls. Use Option plus L to access log mode for instant tracking and logging of information. Try these shortcuts today and let us know how Aide.AI fits into your workflow. Aide.AI makes meetings stress-free by transcribing them in real time. With its advanced AI tools, it captures key points, summarizes important information, and creates an easy-to-review record of every session. Unlike many cloud-reliant tools, Aide.AI stores all your data securely on your Mac. This ensures your information is private, fast, and accessible only to you. Stay on top of your schedule with Aide.AI's calendar integration. Automatically starts and stops recordings at the right times. Pulls in meeting details like participant names. Links notes and summaries back to calendar events for easy access. Perfect for busy professionals, Aide.AI ensures every detail is captured without any extra effort on your part. During a meeting or lecture, a simple tap of Option plus M opens a list of all your meetings, displayed over any active application. No interruptions to your workflow. You can quickly review upcoming meetings or start recording with just a click. Aide.AI lets you customize recording options, including selecting the microphone, capturing speaker voices, or disabling audio if needed, recording your screen, setting the meeting language, ideal for multilingual teams. Prefer automation? With calendar integration, recordings can start automatically, saving you time and effort. Voice memo integration. Automatically transcribe and summarize voice notes from iPhone or Apple Watch. Claude.ai integration. Seamlessly import, transcribe, and organize recordings from Claude devices into Aide.AI. Want to share Aide.AI with others? Check out the affiliate link in the description to learn how you can benefit from spreading the word about this game-changing assistant. Ready to take your productivity to the next level? Aide.AI brings unmatched convenience, security, and power right to your Mac. Click the link below to install Aide.AI and start your productivity journey today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.